Hey, it's Anna and welcome to my channel. So this first video is just to let you guys know that I'm gonna do more videos about hair and makeup because I'm starting to get more into makeup right now. And I've been practicing. I love it. I love creating new looks. So you can expect natural hair videos and makeup videos. What came in today, what I can show you today in the video is my TreasureTress box. I already put it here, some like nice background thingy. It arrived today. Super nice box. I think I've been receiving my TreasureTress box for almost a year. So I'm super blessed with that, super thankful. And yeah, this box was a true surprise. I think every month is kind of a surprise to me because you don't know what you get. So obviously that makes it a surprise, but also because they come with brands that I normally wouldn't buy. So that's what I love about TreasureTress box. Every month you get new products, and you get like 4 or 5 products, sometimes different brands in one box. And they only cost like 20 pounds. I think in euro it's almost 30 euros. I'm not really sure, but still it's so cheap because normally you only buy one jar and it's almost that same price as a whole box of 4 or 5 products. So in the end you're cheaper off, and you can just try out different things. My hair since the past 2 years has been through so much and changed so much. It's still changing, and I have a lot of reasons for that. I will get back to those reasons when I'm going to do an actual hair video, so you're going to know about it. What else? So yeah, it's good for me and for you. So here's a closer look at the TreasureTress box of this month. It's a cute girl opening a box with an afro puff, and this month's branding is, it's a takeover. There's always a picture inside, and on the back there are instructions and directions of the product. I forgot to show it, sorry. Gold paper. And the product is Pantene. That's a really big surprise to me because I always thought that Pantene is for European hair. So it's really good that they have an inclusive line for dry and damaged hair. And all the products of Pantene are infused with argan oil, as you can see. But first, I gotta, of course, judge the book by the cover. This packaging looks amazing. I have a weak eye for branding, so this gold and the whole total look looks really nice. As you can see, they gave me shampoo, conditioner, buttercream, and look how the gold liquid line is flowing through all the bottles. Oh, and a hydrating oil. And they're all for dry and damaged hair. They have a miracle cream formula that's inside the buttercream. And yeah, it looks amazing. I did wash my hair already twice this week because I cut my hair, and I also went to a club and my hair was kind of muffy after that. So I'm gonna have to wait for my next wash day. I'm gonna do a review about it, so I hope you can have some patience for my next and first actual video. So here's another close look at the bottles and everything that the packaging says. For the shampoo, for example, it's moisturizing shampoo, and the conditioner is a moisture boost as well. The hydrating oil is intense, so it's an intense hydrating oil. And the buttercream is also hydrating, which I think moisturizing and hydrating is like the most important things you need for natural hair. It all says for dry and damaged hair, it's sulfate free, paraben free, and dye free. I think dye free is that it doesn't have any chemical color shit in it. I'm not really sure, so I'm gonna do some research about it and we'll put it in my actual review video. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you're just as curious as me, and you're gonna watch the video I'm gonna post after this. Have a nice week, y'all.